Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening File Explorer. Win+E is fastest. Navigate to the exact folder you want available. This matters because quick access preserves the path. Right-click that folder and choose Pin to quick access. Doing this creates a persistent shortcut so you avoid repeated navigation. Once done, scan the quick access pane to confirm the item appears at the top. If it doesn't, make sure you had the correct permissions, and the folder is in a network location, blocked by policy. Now you refine the list so quick access is useful. Drag pins up or down to prioritize. Order matters because you'll scan visually. To remove clutter, right-click any entry and choose Unpin from Quick Access. That removes the shortcut without deleting files. If names are confusing, right-click, open Properties, and edit the folder name or verify the path so it points to the correct location. Once organized, Quick Access becomes a fast menu tailored to your workflow and reduces hunting for folders. To finish, ensure Quick Access sticks across sessions. If entries vanish, clear File Explorer history from folder options and then repin your top folders. This often resolves corruption. If pins still don't persist, check OneDrive sync or a group policy that disables Quick Access. Those interfere with local pins. As a key troubleshooting tip, sign out and back in or restart Explorer. EXE after changing policies, because registry or policy updates sometimes require a session reload to take effect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.